So I've got the car together. There is one connector that I looked for. 28. I don't know where it goes. Well, 27 is identical in terms of the pinning, but everything else is accounted for, I think. It has coolant, it has oil, everything's back together. I'm gonna get ready to set the timing, but this is the first start attempt. Let's see if it even has a not dead battery. So let's see what happens here. Good sign. Wow. It's just running, and it's running really smoothly. Definitely an exhaust leak. That's purring right now. That's purring like a kitten. Checking for leaks. Alternator. Coolant. Heater hoses. Definitely an exhaust leak, but I knew that. Huh? Okay. I'm gonna check the timing now. Anyway, it's running. First start after rebuilding the heads. That's crazy.